replacing the window regulator on the Wlatee Passat. On the driver's side, first you want to remove this control panel right here, and to remove that, it's held on by a little plastic piece right like this that snaps in. Sometimes you can use your finger and pry it out. Other times it's very difficult, so you might have to get a little screwdriver down in there, begin its movement, then use your finger. Take that out of place. Once that's out of place, that's what locks this in. You can lift this out. Disconnect your wire simply by pushing a little tab on here. Little wiggle, and it comes apart. Place that out of the way, and we have 3 screws, Phillips screw in here. 1, 2, 3.